a pre-owned 2018 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.